Good morning, students. Today we will be studying two systems. One is a male reproductive system, and on that day, at the last, we have studied what is puberty. Male reproductive system. First, we will study this male reproductive system. Okay. A diagram is given in your book. It's like that. So this is the concept of a male reproductive system. In male reproductive system, what are there? This is the main concept. These are the a pair of testes are there, okay, and sperm duct is there and a penis is there. Here they are saying the testes, they are producing the male sex cells which are known as the sperms. They can be seen under a microscope, and if you see the diagram of a sperm, it is having a head and it is having a tail. Sperm is a single cell, okay, single cell. You know me what are present in this male reproductive system. This is a pair of testes, and then is vas deferens, and then is this penis. So this is there only. And what you know, the in male reproductive system consists of testis, vas deferens, and another is penis. Function of testis is to produce male sex cells. Known as sperm. Male sex cell, we can call them male sex cell or male gamete. Male gamete. So this sperm, structure of sperm is like this. A head is there and a tail is there. A sperm consists of a head and a tail is there. So this is the, you know, the in male reproductive system, you know the diagram. You must draw the diagram, label it. This is your first task at 8th level. You must know, you must have a knowledge. This system consists of testes, vas deferens, penis. And what is the function of this testis? Its testis is to produce male gamete known as sperm, and this sperm structure is like this. Clear? And another is, next we will study the female reproductive system. So this is the female reproductive system. It consists of ovaries, it consists of fallopian tube, it consists of uterus, it consists of cervix, and it consists of vagina. So female reproductive system, same way, you know, it consists of ovaries, you must draw and label it, fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, and vagina. These ovaries, they produce the egg. Ovaries, they produce the female sex cell that is known as egg. Okay. And fertilization take place in fallopian tube. Male sex cell combine with this egg in fallopian tube. So you can say by fertilization take place here. You know, the after fertilization, the zygote is formed. The zygote, the development of zygote will take place in uterus. What happens in uterus? The development of zygote will take place. and egg is also a single cell. And you must draw the diagram of egg also like this. This is egg. It's also known as ovum. Human eggs are very small in size, but ostrich eggs are large. Clear, sir? So this is the concept. So next concept is fertilization. You know me what is fertilization. What happens in fertilization? Male gamete or male sex cell, you can say scientific name as male gamete, combine male sex cell, this means sex cell, combine with female sex cell. In humans, male sex cell is sperm and female gamete is egg. So male gamete, it combine with female gamete, okay, like this. A sperm combine with this egg to form zygote. This is the early stage of baby. Clear? Okay. So next concept is how zygote is formed. Zygote, it is formed when male sex cell combine with the female sex cell. Okay. The male sex cell is also having a nucleus and female sex cell is also having a nucleus. Both the nucleus combine to form a single nucleus and they become a single cell. That known as a zygote. Then the development of zygote will take place. Development will take place. Okay, and it will turn into embryo. So the nucleus of male sex cell combine with the nucleus of female sex cell. Because male sex cell is also a single cell, it will also have nucleus, and female sex cell is also a single cell, it will have also nucleus. Male sex cell combine with female sex cell nucleus. So male gamete combine with female gamete to form zygote. Nucleus of male sex cell combine with female sex cell nucleus means the male sex cell nucleus combine with the female sex cell nucleus to form a zygote, that is single cell nucleus zygote. Clear? And this zygote develops to form the embryo. And this zygote, it develops to form the embryo. Embryo is the when zygote gets developed, then embryo is formed. There is a term in vitro fertilization. This is very important. IVF. Now there are so many couples who are not getting baby after their marriage. So what they do? They go to a lab in which the doctor takes the sperm from the male body and he also obtains the egg from the female body and he combines the sperm with the egg in the lab, means outside the body of female. That means they are forming the zygote outside the body of female. And when this zygote develops for 2 weeks, after 2 weeks, they place this developed zygote inside the body of female. This concept is also known as test tube baby. What they do, those persons which are not having baby even after so many years of their marriage, they go to IVF lab. What the doctor does there, he takes the sperm from the body of male and he takes the egg from the body of female and he combines the sperm with the egg in lab and a zygote is formed. The development of zygote will take place for 2 weeks in the lab environment only. When the zygote gets developed for 2 weeks, then they place the developed zygote inside the body of female. And this concept is also known as test tube baby. Next concept is cloning. What is this cloning? What is there? You know, a cell is there in our body. Cell is having a nucleus. We have studied that. Nucleus is having a pair of chromosomes. and in chromosomes gene material is present. Okay, suppose a gene material is present. Suppose you go to a photostat shop, you are having a document, you say, I need 10 photocopies of this document. He will do that, na? Similarly, this is a gene material. What the science is doing, they are doing the photocopies of this gene material. If photocopies of gene material are obtained, you will get the similar babies. They will not have any kind of variation. आपको एक जैसे बच्चे मिलेंगे. So cloning is a technique in which you obtain the multiple copies of a single gene, okay, to create an organism. And the organisms created will be similar to the parent animal. Okay, there will be no variations. In Scotland, a sheep is created by this method, and the name of that sheep is Dolly. You can search the Google. So what is he means? In cloning, that means multiple copies of the same gene material are produced. Multiple copies of same gene material are produced to obtain a large number of similar animals. This is the concept of cloning. Dolly sheep is obtained by this process. And in internal fertilization and external fertilization, I have explained the internal fertilization, it takes place in humans, and external fertilization, we have discussed this thing in detail. Okay. Next concept is, so first of all, you know, we are male sperm combined with a egg. A sperm combined with a egg to form the zygote. Zygote is also a single cell. The development of the zygote will take place, okay, and after 8 weeks a embryo will be formed like this. The development of this zygote will take place for 8 weeks and the embryo will be formed. Then embryo gets developed, then a fetus will be formed. This is week 12th. After week 16th, the fetus will be the shape of fetus will be like this. Week 20th, 24, after 40th week, the fetus will have like this shape. Means it has developed into a complete human baby. So what happens? First zygote is formed, then the zygote divides to form the embryo. That means zygote divide for 8 weeks to form embryo. Okay, and for the embryo divides for 4 weeks to form the fetus. The embryo divide for 4 weeks to form fetus. What happens? The concept is like this. You know, the male sex cell combine with female sex cell to form zygote. Zygote divide to give embryo. The embryo attach itself with the wall of the uterus. I've told you the development of embryo take place in the uterus. What is this embryo? It's a group of cells. It is not a single cell, it is a group of cells. This group of cells, they keep on dividing. They keep on dividing to form the tissues. These tissues further develop to form the organs, and organs develop to form the organ system, and organ system develop to form the organism, and this process takes place for 38 or 40 weeks. Okay, what happens in our concept is development of embryo. What happens in this? We a male sperm combine with egg to form the zygote. zygote zygote divi- zygote divides for 8 weeks to form a embryo. zygote is a single cell, it's a group of cells. ये group of cells बन जाएगा. Then embryo attach itself. This embryo, it will attach itself. This is embryo. This is embryo. So embryo attach with the wall of uterus. This is first concept. This is second concept. Wall of uterus. And what is this uterus? We have already studied here. Attach here. Attach with the wall of uterus and keep on dividing for 4 weeks. So embryo is a ball of cells. है क्या ये एक ball of cells that divides to form tissues. ये divide होता रहता है ताकि क्या बन पाए, to form tissues, which is fetus. Then the tissue structure in fetus, जो tissue structure बन गया है fetus में, then the tissue structure in fetus combine to form organs. Fetus take 36 weeks or 40 weeks, 36 weeks for complete development. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.